This is 5 easy ways to make money on your phone. All the strategies revealed require zero investment to start, and they're available worldwide. Number 1. Selling digital products on Etsy. Did you know that you can literally make millions by selling digital products on Etsy? So this is the Etsy homepage. Now type in to-do list on the search bar and hit enter. If we look at all these things that come up, these are just simple templates. Most of them have 5-star reviews, which means that people like these products and they sell well. Let's take a look at this one. It's just a simple to-do list, and it only sells for $2. But if we look at the number of reviews it got and do the math, the person selling this must have made over $6,000. And you can be this person too. So where can you get templates like these to sell for free? Just head to Canva. As you can see here, Canva has a free plan, and just look. In the free plan, you get over 250,000 free templates. Cool, right? In the search bar right here, just type in to-do list. As you can see, look at all these templates that come up. You have so many free templates to choose from. Let's select this one. As you can see, this is a simple yet effective to-do list, and you can make so much money by selling templates like these on Etsy. To download this template, you just need to click on share, and then download, and download again. And it will be downloaded for you. Now you can sell other digital products like weekly planners, meal planners, and even fitness planners. And as you can see, all these templates are available on Canva. Number 2. The second way to make money from your phone is by freelancing. You can do freelancing without having any skills or prior experience on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer. Let's take Fiverr for example. Look at all of these services that Fiverr offers. Even with no skills, you can offer services such as being a virtual assistant. As you can see here, look at all these services that come up. And if you look at the pay, it pays really well. Plus, if you go back up, as you can see, you can choose to do administration jobs, or call centers and calling jobs, and even file conversions. The skip tracing one will require more effort, so you can just focus on the others as they're simple and quick to do. You can also remove background from photos. As you can see, this is what you can expect to get paid. I will now show you a website which is going to remove the background for you, and that too for free. Remove.bg. This is the website that will do the job of removing the background for you. You just need to upload a picture and boom, it removed the background. Just imagine getting paid simply for doing this. Cool, right? Number 3. The third way to make money using your phone is simply by doing surveys online. You can use websites such as FreeCash. As you can see, you can sign up for free and start earning money. If we click on leaderboard here, the more points you earn doing surveys, the higher your chance of winning these cash prizes. So sign up today and start making money. Other websites that you can use for surveys are Swagbucks. This one too, as you can see here, you earn points and then you get free gifts, or you can even get PayPal money. Taluna, Life Points, and Daily Rewards are also great survey websites to make some extra cash. Number 4. Print on Demand. This is a print-on-demand website. You can sell clothing here such as hoodies and sweatshirts, and t-shirts and tanks. Don't worry if you don't know how to design clothing. I will give you a website where you can download pre-made designs and upload them to Redbubble and watch the money roll in. Look at this article here. It says that the artists upload designs, and this drives organic traffic and ultimately sales. Meaning you make money without having to worry about driving traffic to your store. And with Redbubble, you'll not even have to handle inventory or shipping. You just create and upload the designs, and they take care of everything for you. So Canva's the website that you can use to download pre-made t-shirts and hoodies. If you type in t-shirt here, look at all these designs. All these awesome designs right here have the potential to make you so much money. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. This simply means that you'll get paid to promote other people's products. But for this method to work, you'll need to have an audience to promote your products to, and when they click on the link, you'll get a commission. The good thing is you can easily build an audience using TikTok or Instagram. You just need to create an account on Instagram like this one. This is about positivity, inspiration, and motivation. And if you click on this link right here, you'll be taken to Amazon. And now if someone buys this product from Amazon, the person will get a commission.